Medical malpractice is when a medical provider practices below the standard of care in the community. So if a doctor, for example, who specializes in heart surgery, practices or does a surgery that is below the standard of care in the medical community, that causes harm to the patient, that is medical malpractice. The liability when there's medical malpractice rests with the medical provider who's actually treating and caring for the patient. If a hospital is involved, if hospital employees, such as nurses, are careless, then the hospital can be held liable. Many times, both a hospital and a physician or physicians are responsible for medical malpractice depending on the set of facts and circumstances that occur. Medical malpractice can have a devastating effect on someone's life because someone's seeing a doctor typically because they're either sick, ill, or they're trying to recover from an injury. So medical malpractice oftentimes compounds the problem and makes someone's condition almost devastating, and sometimes absolutely devastating, and sometimes ends a life. So what we do is we explain what the process is going to be like, and we make sure that as many of the support systems that can be put in place are put in place to help our clients to be able to cope with the injury, the harm, and in some cases, the devastation that they have to deal with in their life. And we rid them of having any concerns and stresses about the legal system and the process, because that's something that we take care of so that they can focus on healing. Over the years, I've handled hundreds of medical malpractice cases, and I'm also one of the contributing authors of the Medical Malpractice Handbook that was put out for members of what was then known as the Los Angeles Trial Lawyers Association.